quite often the plant doesn't have the luxury of replacing it at the most optimal time. Because of new regulations, their hand is forced and they need to replace it regardless of whether it ties into their production or not. So if the plant is choosing to be proactive and replace old equipment, what they typically try to do is plan a downtime. So if you make chicken wings, you are hugely busy right around Super Bowl because a lot of chicken wings are consumed during Super Bowl. So you don't want to plan a downtime during the weeks leading up to Super Bowl if you make chicken wings. If you are going to be proactive and replace equipment, a good ballpark is, depending on the scope of work and how much of a change you're making or an expansion you're doing, a good ballpark is to plan at least 4 to 6 months prior to when you need to make the change so that your vendors can prepare and equipment can be made.